In celebration of the 4th of July and America's 250th birthday, we're going to be making freedom sliders. Let's get started.
Good things are coming. Good things.
Normally, I would say cooking should be fun and relaxing, but this is the 250th for America, so by the powers of our forefathers, grab yourself some freedom juice. Here we go. Cheers.
America, America.
Let's get started. So what makes our freedom slider special? We are going to make a 2-inch slider with a brat and cheese on top, okay? Doesn't get more freedom than that, okay? So let's get started. You're gonna need about a pound of ground beef. Here we go. And you're gonna need some kind of a tray or dish onto which you can put your patties, okay? You want your ground beef to be as cold as possible without being frozen, all right? And before we start working our beef, we're gonna get our hands nice and wet. The cold, wet hands will help us make our patties smoother and it'll just be easier, okay? There we go. We're not doing anything fancy. We're literally just molding these into a meatball. We're gonna keep it kind of loose. I don't wanna see anybody squeezing it as hard as possible, okay? We're just gonna make it into a nice, loose, flat meatball. Looks kind of like that, okay? Boom. All right, and then I'm gonna fill the rest of this tray. I'm gonna speed through it so you guys don't have to wait too long, okay? All right, here we go. We have 6 really nice patties and then one tiny guy there at the very end. And we're gonna season these guys very simply. Don't need to get complicated today. Oh, pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, I am going to flip these over and season both sides so that way they taste good. I'm going to skip past that one. That way you don't have to wait for me to do that. Just understand that I'm seasoning both sides. Okie dokie. And I'm gonna look at all of them and then I'm gonna take my thumb and I'm gonna push right there in the dead center, ever so slightly, okay? We're not gonna jam our thumb all the way down into it, okay? You're just gonna press a little light thumbprint into each one of them, okay? And we're gonna set this in the fridge uncovered until we're ready to cook them. Okay, so next up we're gonna make some caramelized onions. Need a half an onion. And I have about a tablespoon's worth of butter and a tablespoon's worth of olive oil melting in the pan behind me there on a low heat. And we're just gonna slice this onion as thinly as we can, okay? The thinner the better. All right, and then this whole thing is going right into that frying pan. We're gonna turn our frying pan onto a medium heat. Put the lid on the frying pan and let the onions sweat for about, I'd say 10-15 minutes or so. All right. The patties are in the refrigerator and they need to rest for about 15 minutes themselves. So, time to go celebrate your freedoms. Here's our onions, nice and caramelized. There you go. So just keep in mind, if you turn that heat on low, the the longer you go with these things, the more brown they're going to get and the sweeter they're going to get. Okay? You can actually take it to a point where it's called onion jam, and it's surprisingly sweet. Okay? I'm going to bowl these onions up, and I have plans for this frying pan, so I will see you in just a second. All right, next up, for our freedom slider, I've got a beer brat. This is a green onion beer brat. I'm going to slice coins off of this. Just like that. All right, so this is about 1 inch in diameter. I'm going to cut several. Alrighty, I have about 10 here and a handful in this bag. Time to fry them up. I'm going to turn my cast iron pan up on a high heat and let it start to smoke. Alright, it's time to get to cooking. We're going to pop these guys down in a clockwise fashion. After about 45 seconds to a minute on both sides, we're going to start taking off the ones that are ready. Get some color on them, pull them all off, keep this grease in the bottom of this pan, and we'll get to working on our burger patties. Alrighty, we've got our brats, we got our onions. Time to work on our buns, alright? Now, what would make a better bun for our freedom slider than a brioche roll? The French helped us in the Revolutionary War, and we repaid them by teaching them how freedom works in World War I and II. You're welcome, fellas. There we go. We have this nice brioche roll, and we're going to toast this guy up in our onion juices from earlier. That is going to be fantastic. And this is one of my favorite buns for burgers, is a nice bagel. Why? Because sometimes you want freedom for breakfast. That's why.
You are an unstoppable good idea machine.
All right, we have our cast iron frying pan on a high heat. We have all the brat grease in here. I'm going to take our 2 very best patties, toss them in. We're going to let them get a nice sear on them for about a minute, minute and a half. Flip them over, kill our heat down to medium low, put our cheese on, and we're done. Oh, that's a beautiful sear. Beautiful. Alrighty. Gonna put our cheese on there. You can totally do American, but I am doing provolone and cheddar. Got one that's really melty and one that's very flavorful. Alright. Gonna drop the heat down to a low. Put our lid on there. That's gonna help the cheese melt better. Oh. When that cheese is melted, we're done. All right, oh my. These are looking beautiful. I think it's time to build our freedom sliders. Let's get to building. We have our brioche and we have our bagel. There we go. I'll start off with some caramelized onions. There we go. Next, we're going to get our patties. Oh, next we need, there we go, we need our brats on top. There we are. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Freedom Sliders. Yes. Yes, you get to have some of this. All right. Let's take a bite of this one. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, this is so good. It's got the umami that we won from the Japanese in World War II. All right. Okay, manager really needs her bite. Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy. Now, a very wise mailman once told me that Sliders' main attraction is their sauces. Okay, so I have some ranch, some good old barbecue sauce, and I have Dad's all-purpose burger sauce. There we go. If you want to learn how to make this, I will put a link in the description to my burger video so you can take a look at it. All right, I think I'm going to dip it in some ranch. That almost seems appropriate. Yeah, isn't that right, Europeans? Mmm. Mmm. That's so good. Manager wants a taste of freedom. Mmm, yummy, yummy. All right. What if you want some breakfast? There you go, a little freedom breakfast. Let's dip that in the barbecue. And look, it's bratwurst. That's a sausage. That means breakfast. Ha-ha. Mmm. Very good. Need some freedom juice. These two are insanely juicy. Very flavorful. Oh my God. I think the founding fathers would love to have this with like, what, a fifth of whiskey for lunch? Oh my God, yummy, yummy. Well, that's gonna do it for me today, everybody. Tell me what you think about the sliders. Tell me what you think about America. All right, tell me down in the description, give me comments about how much you love the freedoms of America. And if you hate America, yes, feel free to be wrong in the description or in the comments down below. There you go. Oh yeah, these sliders are a hit. Please make these for a barbecue or something. They are fantastic. Oh my goodness. If you want a good side to go with these sliders, I have a twice baked potato casserole. Right, I'll put a link right about here. Okay, please give me a like and a subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize the channel. I'm almost to 100. If you want to support my channel, please go to my merch store and buy yourself a t-shirt or something. Yep. Please follow me on the social medias, X and Instagram. I'll put the link right here. And can you please hashtag your stuff, Dad's Cooking, if you want to send me a picture of recipes you've done. Anywho, I think that's going to do it for us today. I've got these sliders ready to go for supper. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So, I've been Dad. Happy 4th of July and have a good. Help me out. Powers of... This is the 250th birthday of America. I don't want the And normally... Oh. Again.